email, ALLENIE@gmail.com. They do a real good job. The house looks good. I like it. It's really pretty. It's really pretty. Hello, ladies. I don't have my camera with me right now. They so busy eating. Y'all mind if I put y'all on my YouTube channel?
I don't mind at all.
Okay.
Are you recording?
Yes.
Hey, this plate right here. Oh my gosh. I'm not even playing. My mama make good chicken.
Right.
This chicken good. My mama make good chicken. But this chicken right here,
Thank you.
oh my gosh, y'all.
What you say your name again?
My name Brittany, and I work with Frozen Moments.
All right.
Miss Annie blessed us today
Yes.
with this wonderful plate right here. Thank you, Miss Annie.
You welcome, sweetie.
Thank you, Miss Annie.
You welcome. You welcome.
Oh my gosh.
Why don't y'all give me 2 thumbs up to share, subscribe, and like? Also, they do a real good job to my house. Now, if y'all want to hit them up, I want y'all to hit them up, okay? Look at that. That's really nice. All the way around the block. That is nice. Very nice. And they're enjoying their place over there. This is Annie Carruthers. Give me 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. Share. All the night. That's chicken. That's what I feel. All right, y'all. I was at the corn pot. Was it clean and good?
Yeah.
All right, y'all. Y'all heard my husband here and just saying that. So I'm going to talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.